This is a 2014 Kia Forte, and this is the LX model. It doesn't say it on the back, but it is, I know for a fact. And what you'll do is you'll jack the car up. Always have your emergency brake on. And tires here. You'll take these two bolts off. This is a 14 millimeter on top, 14 on bottom. Now you have to use this cube, because this caliber, you turn it to screw it back in, which is very easy. I'll show you in a second. So basically you'll slide it into the groove and you'll go down in it like this, just ratchet it, and then it'll push that back in, then you install the new pads. Alright, so there we go. We got it in there. It took me no time, seconds. This is actually probably a 5 to 10 minute, probably 10 to 15 minute job. So take the new pads, which obviously you know what size goes to which. This should go on this back side. Pop that in. Pop this side in. Boom. I'm gonna throw this back on. Put these two bolts in. And actually I bled the brake some, so that's why it's some fluid right there, to make sure my fluid level was good before I even took the pads off. Boom. And you'll just tighten them up. And that's it. 2014 Kia Forte, and you can do the brakes. The pads cost, they were $27.99 at AutoZone, and I bought the cube for $11.99 plus tax. It came to like 14 bucks, something like that. And you just, there's different sides. You'll find what side fits the caliber, and that's it. Like, share, subscribe for more videos, and leave me a comment if you need any advice or help with anything on, anything.